Assalamu alaikum teacher, my name is Mohammed Youssef. I am from grade 7B. Today I will explain about the refrigerator heat pump. This is the physics project. The refrigerator heat. An electrical motor pump a liquid refrigerator from a low pressure pipe to a high pressure pipe. From there it is squirted through a narrow hole back into the low pressure pipe and round again. Why is the cold pipe put at the top of the box? Question 1 answer: because it needs freezing. 2. Why are the cooling fins made of metal with a large area? Because it spreads more cooling because of the more area. Thank you, sir, for watching my presentation. My presentation was about the refrigerator heat pump. Thank you.